Hello, and thanks for taking the time to find out a little more about the new Range Rover. It leads by example with the ability to go anywhere and be at home everywhere. The new Range Rover provides the smoothest and most comfortable ride yet over an array of diverse terrains. Extensive modelling has guided our engineers to develop the signature Range Rover experience, with every steering and throttle input yielding a naturalistic and reassuring response. The interior provides a tranquil sanctuary with controls and displays that are powerfully intuitive without overloading the senses. And with the addition of the new long wheelbase 7-seat model, Range Rover will appeal to an even wider customer base. Our always on, always connected PIVI Pro system arrives on our flagship vehicle and continues to evolve with over 70 modules updating automatically over the air, keeping maps current and adding new features and capabilities as they are developed. The technology even allows new Range Rover to pilot itself in and out of parking spaces without a driver at the wheel. Still a design classic, still in a class of its own, still the best expression of refined luxury and uncompromised capability, but with a host of new features and enhancements complementing the breathtaking modernity of the design. There's nothing else like it. This is the most desirable Range Rover ever created. The new Range Rover has incredible presence, from Range Rover's first 23-inch wheels to a lower roofline. The front is confident, enhanced by its deeper grille. The precise, high-definition LED headlights don't just look good, they maximise the amount of light for the driver at all times, using dynamic light projection technology. This offers precision control of 1.2 million micro mirrors within the headlight, tracking up to 16 other road users and projecting light around them to ensure your visibility does not come at the expense of theirs. Beam shaping technology allows optimum illumination in all environments, penetrating up to 500 meters ahead. Fully flush glazing adds to the appearance of a single, solid form. But the rear is perhaps the most breathtaking view of the new Range Rover. Its rear lighting is a world first, hidden until lit in an uninterrupted black gloss panel that runs the full width of the rear. And the new Range Rover offers power-operated doors for the first time. As you approach, the flush door handles are deployed automatically. A gentle pull on the handle will then activate the power door opening. Inside, the new Range Rover is a calm sanctuary. The interior feels spacious, with light falling across the rear seat area from the panoramic glass roof. A single 13.1-inch curved glass touchscreen floats above the center console. Below that are the intuitive climate controls, with beautifully engineered rotary dials. Everyone has a first-class seat, starting with the peerless Range Rover Command driving position. Deeper side bolsters and improved shoulder support enhance comfort, whilst the simple, elegant forms and beautiful tailoring reinforce the quality. We know many customers for new Range Rover will expect fine quality leather interiors, which of course we offer, but interior options also include luxury alternatives to leather. They still offer supple comfort and warmth, but their very different production processes generate only a quarter of the CO2 of leather. A mix of wood veneers and technical finishes complement the seat materials. Open pore wood with light veneers is natural and tactile. And you can choose metallic inlays for the first time. Passengers can enjoy an optional rear seat entertainment system with individual 11.4-inch floating glass screens and soundbar integrated into the seat backs. For the first time, new Range Rover long wheelbase offers a full third-row seating option with no compromises in comfort or luxury. And then you have a 4-seat executive option, creating an unrivaled modern luxury environment for first-class travel. Opening the tailgate triggers the automatic retractable cover. This power folds back and upwards in 4 seconds for easy access. The 5-seat model offers 1,061 litres of luggage space, made truly ingenious by the smart load floor. It can be raised forward to a vertical position to partition the load space and restrain items in the boot for easy reach. Loose objects are kept securely in place by fitted straps, while the soft rubberized floor can be wiped clean. You can even choose an optional tailgate event suite, offering a unique tailgate experience. The versatile load space floor works with the lower tailgate to create a comfortable social seating position with lighting and audio, ideal for outdoor parties and days out with family or friends. The heart of the new Range Rover is the PV Pro infotainment system, with its largest ever 13.1-inch widescreen touchscreen display. PV Pro is smarter, faster, always connected and future-proof. Capable of software over-the-air updates, just like a smartphone. It's also your central interface for driving assistance, displaying an interactive 360-degree view from its 3D surround camera system for parking and low-speed manoeuvring. The new Range Rover transforms the concept of your car as a personal assistant with the integration of Amazon Alexa. It embeds natural voice commands into the vehicle, just as in your home, with a familiar voice interface. And it puts the capability of Alexa at your command, wherever, whenever you need it. Passengers are fully connected too. You can plug in a device from every seat, with up to 14 power and data points around the cabin. Standard wireless device charging perfectly complements the wireless connection to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. A 4G Wi-Fi hotspot allows up to 8 devices to connect simultaneously, to stream content or browse the internet. The new Range Rover cossets you as it connects you. This is not just the quietest ever Range Rover, it has one of the quietest cabins of any vehicle. Active road noise cancellation generates a neutralizing sound through the audio system. It includes the world's first use of noise cancelling speakers in the front and rear seat headrests, delivering sound to the driver and passengers just like high-end headphones. The new Range Rover also has technology to cancel engine noise, and it protects you through the purity of the air inside the cabin. Pioneering Cabin Air Purification Pro system neutralizes odors, bacteria and allergens, but also SARS and COVID virus pathogens. The focus on well-being continues with CO2 management to monitor and balance CO2 levels in the cabin. The new Range Rover has the on-road ride quality and dynamic response of a luxury saloon, plus the ability to cover any terrain in peerless comfort and with total control. On the road, it is more agile at low speeds and more stable at high speeds. It also introduces standard all-wheel steering. This fundamentally improves agility and stability in all conditions. It also tightens up the turning circle, matching the nimble U-turns of a small hatchback. So the city is now one more terrain to which the Range Rover is supremely adapted. Finally, we have our latest in air suspension for a more consistent and controlled ride. It means the new Range Rover is always aware of its surroundings and ready for the road ahead. You have assured confidence off-road too. Tackle gradients of up to 45 degrees, traverse deep sand, snow or mud, or wade through 900 millimeters of water. Off the road, intelligent all-wheel drive is smarter and more capable than ever. It continually monitors terrain, speed and traction and always provides seamless progress. And Terrain Response 2 assesses changes in surface and adapts damping, throttle, suspension and steering response automatically, instantaneously and seamlessly. The new Range Rover will, as before, be available as a plug-in hybrid, but with a new engine and performance enhancements that go beyond what is offered by any other premium SUV. It has an electric-only range target of up to 60 miles and is capable of up to 87 miles per hour, 140 kilometers per hour. Battery power is intelligently deployed for best efficiency across a journey and reserved to allow zero-emission driving in urban areas. This unique electric performance generates combined CO2 emissions of less than 30 grams per kilometre. This means it could easily be used on all-electric power for most of your daily journeys. Capable of 50 kilowatt DC charging, it only takes 40 minutes to achieve an 80% charge. And it will complete a home charge via a 7.4 kilowatt wall socket within 5 hours. Matched to a smooth 6-cylinder Ingenium petrol engine, the combined output is 510 PS, making this one of the most powerful new Range Rovers. With instantaneous electric torque, it will reach 62 miles per hour in less than 5.5 seconds. With benefit in kind rates of just 8% for 22-23 budget year, It isn't just the fuel consumption figures taking Range Rover into new territory. Range Rover PHEV will be available to order from early 2022. Even if you don't choose hybrid power, you can be sure of effortless performance. 6-cylinder power is available with mild hybrid technology. The two diesel options provide efficient power for towing or motorway cruising, whilst the 400 PS petrol engine effortlessly reaches 62 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. And the new Range Rover is the first to be powered by Land Rover's smooth, refined, new 4.4 litre V8. Using two twin-scroll turbochargers in parallel, it generates 530 PS and 750 Newton meters of torque, and that can translate into 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, faster than the 5-litre V8 supercharged engine it replaces. New Range Rover features revised specification naming, similar to changes made with other Range Rover nameplates. Prices for the entry-level SE specification start at £94,400. HSE builds on generous standard equipment with 22-inch wheels, a head-up display, clear sight rear-view mirror, digital LED projection lights, super soft semi-aniline leather with heated and cooled front seats, and a 19-speaker 800-watt Meridian 3D surround sound system. It also includes our new Park Assist feature, which controls every aspect of a parking manoeuvre, and with optional remote park assist can even be controlled from outside the car for tight garage spaces. Autobiography raises wheel size to 22-inch and adds an opening function to the panoramic roof. Illuminated tread plates welcome you into the cabin. Front seats have massage programs and rear passengers are treated to executive class seating. The new innovative auto-folding load space cover is standard, as is the 35-speaker, 1,600-watt Meridian signature sound system with active noise cancellation built into every headrest. Limited to the first 12 months of production, the first edition specification starts from £123,400 for the D350 version and delivers exclusive styling details, 23-inch wheels and rear screen entertainment. From early 2022, customers looking for the ultimate in luxury and individuality will be able to specify the new Range Rover SV, a handcrafted, exquisite interpretation of Range Rover luxury and personalisation. Available as both standard and long wheelbase, Range Rover SV introduces new tactile materials into the cabin with ceramic controls and near-aniline leathers, whilst distinctive detailing on the exterior differentiates it from the standard range. Striking paint finishes, exquisite detailing. The unmatched signature rear seating all position Range Rover SV to compete confidently at the highest echelons of the automotive industry. Whichever one you choose, the new Range Rover leads by example with breathtaking modernity, peerless refinement and unmatched Land Rover capability. Thank you for spending a little time getting to know more about the new Range Rover. Further information can be found on the Land Rover website or YouTube channel.